Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the flash bounce effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then we're going to find the flash bounce effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, bring it to the beginning of the clip, and now we're going to elongate it. Right? So now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the blur, the strength, glow, and speed. Also, we can mess around with the keyframes. You guys will be able to play around with these as you'd like. So let's check it out. Bouncy. This is what this effect is giving off. It's bouncy. Well, thank you guys for watching. If this is helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.